Today we're going to show you how to do a complete 100% breakdown of the Remington 870 Tactical Express shotgun. Excuse my voice, I have a slight cold here. Start off by safety checking the weapon. Nothing in the pipe, nothing in the mag, just to be sure. Please, for the love of God, don't discharge your weapon in your house, because that just makes it tougher for me to get firearms and ammunition. Liberals are just going to use that as ammo. So enough philosophy, let's just get on with it. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. And if you plan on taking apart the fore end, you'll need needle nose pliers or the overpriced, ridiculously overpriced tool that Remington sells to do it. And if you want to do a basic breakdown, all you'll need is a flathead, and that's only if you have the magazine clamp on there. But if not, and you're just doing a basic takedown, you won't need nothing. Just do it barehanded. Open up the action halfway. Unscrew the magazine clamp, hook mount, sling mount, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Take your magazine tube, apply pressure, turn it counterclockwise. Apply pressure to keep the magazine from shooting out of there, because it will. Barrel comes right off. Inside the feed lip here, my flashlight. Inside the feed lip, there's 1 and 2 little levers that you need to depress to pull the fore end and the bolt assembly out of the gun. So we're going to do that now. Slide it to the forwardmost position. Do the right one first. Actually, the left one first, excuse me. And then the right one. And then that should just come right out of there. The fore end comes off along with your bolt. Oops. And your bolt carrier. And then your follower just comes right out. And if you're doing a basic takedown, just to clean, lubricate your gun, it's all you need to do. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take it all the way down, in case you want to replace the stock or the fore end. Maybe the stock now. There's 2 Phillips head screws and the butt pad. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew those. I'll see if I can speed this up so you don't have to look at my fat ass hands unscrewing this for 10 minutes. Butt pad pops right off of there. Keep my pieces organized here. Just a good habit. I can put this thing together and take it apart blindfolded, but just a good habit. Inside your stock there's going to be a flathead screw. It's a real long screw that goes all the way into the into the receiver here. Go ahead and unscrew that. That pulls out. There's going to be 2 washers on there. Make sure you don't lose those. And your stock come right off the receiver. And the last thing is you're going to want to take your trigger grouping out of there. Now, I don't have access to a push because I'm not a professional gunsmith or anything. Well, I just don't have the money, to be honest. But I'm just going to use these needle nose pliers and be very careful not to scratch the receiver. I recommend that you go out and buy a push though. There's 2 pins. One. Be very careful here not to scratch my receiver. And 2. Whoops. But your trigger assembly, pull right out of there. Get out of here. It's not your turn. Get out of here. And that's it. In the next part, I'll show you how to put this all back together.